Hi, my name is Basir. In this video we will learn how to find out trigonometric ratios of some specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. This should help you in solving exercise 11.2 problems. Now let us do this first. I'll just write this as, I'll just write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a rough column, and then I'll just divide everything by 4, and I'll then take a square root of all the numbers. We know that 0 by 4 is 0 because 0 by anything is 0. Square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is 2. This I can cancel here, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Square root of 1 is 1, root 2 I'm writing as it is. This root it goes for numerator also, and this root goes for denominator also. So root 3 I'm writing as it is. Square root of 4 is what? 2. 4 1s are 4 1s are. 1 by 1 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. Root 0 is 0. Everybody knows that square root of 0 is 0. So what I did, I took numbers in this sequence 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I divided all those numbers by 4, and then I took a square root. I got these values 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. I'll write down these values here: 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So finding out the values for sine theta, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is you just need to write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in a rough column, and then divide everything by 4 and then take a square root. That is it. You got the values for sine theta. Getting values of cos theta is far easier than that. You just have to write down the values from the right hand side. So 1, I'll write it from I'll have to write down the values from the right hand side to the left hand side. So 1 I'm writing first, and then root 3 by 2 and then 1 by root 2 and then 1 by 2 and then 0. So I have written it in this sequence: 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. So I got the values of cos theta also. Tan theta, I believe I have not mentioned this earlier. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta. So let us find out sine theta by cos theta here. 0 by 1, we know that it is 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I'll be getting 1 by root 3 here. Here also, if I do sine by cos, 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. 1 by 1 is 1. Here 2 and 2 gets cancelled. I'll be getting root 3. Here 1 by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. You cannot divide a number by 0. Cosecant theta. How to find out the values of cosecant theta? Cosecant theta, remember, cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. So I'm writing here not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1, which is 1. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1, which is root 2. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is always 1. Secant theta. Secant theta. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Remember that secant is reciprocal of cos. So sine, reciprocal of sine is cosecant, reciprocal of cos is secant, and reciprocal of tan is cot. Secant is reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2. Reciprocal of 0 not defined. Cot, we know that it is reciprocal of tan. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of not defined is 0. So we now know how to find out trigonometric ratios of some specific angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. And this is pretty important. You have to remember tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta, and reciprocal of tan theta is cot theta. With this knowledge, let us go ahead and solve exercise 11.2 problems. Exercise 11.2 problems are pretty simple. Let me just go to exercise 11.2 here. Okay, exercise 11.2. Evaluate the following. We'll have to find out what is sin 45 plus cos 45. Okay. I'll just go ahead and work. I'll just go ahead and solve. Evaluate this one. The fourth bit, which says 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 degree minus sin square 60 degree. Every other bit, I believe you guys can try it on your own, because you just have to substitute the values of those given angles and just simplify it to evaluate it. Let me just do the fourth bit here. First question, fourth bit. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. 2 tan 45. What is the value of tan 45? Let us go back to our table here. Tan 45 value is 1. Tan 45 is 1. So in place of tan 45, I'll substitute 1. Square I'm writing as it is. Cos 30. Let us go back to the table and find out what is the value of cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So in place of cos 30, I'm writing root 3 by 2. Square I'm writing as it is. Sin 60. Let us go back to the table and find out what is sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Square I'm writing as it is. So 1 square is how much? 1 ones are 1. Square goes to the numerator also, and it goes to the denominator also. The square, it goes to the numerator and it goes to the denominator also. This square, same, it goes to the numerator, it goes to the denominator also. 2 ones are 2. Here square and square root get cancelled. I get 3 here. 2 square is how much? 4. Here square and square root gets cancelled. I get 3 here. 2 square is how much? 4. I'll just have to add these these three numbers. I can do it in various ways here. A lot of ways to do this. Let me just do it this way. I'll write 2 as 2 by 1. I'll take the LCM of 1, 4 and 4. LCM of 1, 4 and 4 is 4. 1 into 4 is 4. I'll have to multiply the numerator also by 4. 4 ones are 4. Numerator also I'll have to multiply by 4. 4 ones are 4. Numerator also I'll have to multiply by 4. 2 fours are 8. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6 should be 14. 14 by 4. I'll convert this into lowest form. 2 2s are 2. 7s are. So 7 by 2 is your answer. I believe everything else, every other bit you can do it on your own. You just have to substitute the values here and do it. I'll do the second question for you. Second question is also pretty simple. Oops, I believe we did a little mistake here. Here the sign is minus and we accidentally took it as plus. So I'll just replace this with minus. Plus 3 minus 3 cancels. I'll be getting 8 here. 8 by 4 should be 2. So the value is 2. Choose the right option and justify your choice. 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 45. Let me just write down the question here. The question is 2 tan 30 degree by 1 plus tan square 45 degree. I know that tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Square I am writing as it is here. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. By root 3 I am writing as it is. 1 plus 1 square is 1. So 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 1s are 2. Gets cancelled. I'll be getting 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. When do I get 1 by root 3 in tan theta? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So what should be your answer? Your answer is C, tan 30 degree. The other bits, I believe, second bit and third bit are just the same. You just need to substitute the values for tan 45 and tan 30 and then find out the answer. Let me go back let me just do this third one now. Evaluate sine 60 degree cos 30 degree. Sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus sine 30 degree cos 60 degree. What is the value of sine 60 degree plus 30 degree? What can you conclude? Simple. Sine 60 degree. I know that sine 60 is root 3 by 2. You can check in the table. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And cos 30 is also root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is half. And I know that cos 60 is half. Root 3 into root 3 is how much? Root 9. 2 2s are 4. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 2 2s are 4. Square root of 9 is 3. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4. If I take LCM of 4 and 4, I get the LCM as 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 by 4 is how much? 1. So value of sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60 is equal to 1. And in the question it is it's mentioned what is the value of sine 60 plus 30. Let us find out the value of sine 60 plus 30. Sine 60 degree plus 30 degree, right? Sine of 60 plus 30 is 90. Sine 90 is 1. You can check in the trigonometric table that we have drawn in the at the starting of this video. Sine 90 is 1. So we get these two values are as equal. Sine of 60 plus 30 is equal to sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. So what do you conclude? We see that these two values are equal. Sine 60 plus 30 and sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 cos 60. These two values are equal. If you consider this 60 as A and 30 as B, we actually get this formula. Sine A cos B is sine A cos B plus sine B cos A. So you can see here, if I take A as 60 degree and B as 30 degree, A as 60 degree, B I am writing 30 degree, 30 degree I am writing as B, so 30 degree is B, 60 degrees A. So I'm getting this identity here. Sine of A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Fourth and fifth, I believe, fourth you can do it on your own. It is similar to the third one. Let us go ahead and do the fifth one now, because fifth one it looks like it is a little different than the previous ones. Fifth, in right angle triangle PQR, right angle is at Q, PQ is 6 centimeters, RPQ is 60 degree. Determine the lengths of QR and PR. Let us do this. Let us just go ahead and write and draw a right angle triangle here. PQR is a right angle triangle, and it says that it is right angled at Q. So it is right angled at Q, and PQ is given as 6 centimeters. RPQ is 60 degrees. RPQ, which means this angle is 60 degrees. We'll have to find out QR, the value of QR, and we have to find out the length of PR. Okay, let us do it this way. I want to find out what is QR with respect to this angle 60 degree. QR is the opposite side. This slant line is always the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent side. Let me use tan theta here. Tan theta, everybody knows that tan is opposite side by adjacent side. Theta means angle here. What is the angle given? Angle is given as 60 degree. What is the opposite side? Opposite side is QR. I don't know what it is, so I'm writing QR as it is. Adjacent side is PQ. I know that it is 6, so I'm writing 6 in place of the adjacent side. Tan 60, everybody knows that it is root 3. The value of tan 60 is root 3. You can go back and check in the trigonometric table that we have drawn at the start of this video. So what is the value of QR here? QR is 6 into root 3. 6 root 3. So value of QR is 6 root 3. And I have been telling you, if you know two sides of a right angle triangle, it is very easy to find out the third side using Pythagoras theorem. So let us use the Pythagoras theorem here to find out the third side. We know that according to Pythagoras theorem, the square of the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse here, the square of the hypotenuse is sum of squares of other two sides. What are the other two sides? PQ and QR. So PQ and QR. So according to Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PR I don't know, I'm writing it as it is. PQ I know that it is 6. QR I know that it is 6 root 3. So PR square is equal to 6 square is 36. Square here goes for 6 also, and square goes on, root 3 also. So PR square is equal to 36 plus 6 square is how much? 36. Square and square root gets cancelled. I get 3 here. PR square is 36 plus 36 into 3 is how much? 36 into 3 is 108. 108 plus 36 should be 144. So PR square is 144. PR. Okay, I'm running out of space here. 1 second. Looks like there is something wrong with the pen here. Give me 1 minute, I'll be back. Okay, I believe it's working for me now. PR is equal to square. If I remove from the left hand side, I'll have to put a square root on the right hand side. Square root of 144 is 12. So value of PR is 12. So in the question, they wanted us to find out the value of QR and PR. Value of QR is 6 root 3 and value of PR is 12. Sixth one, I believe sixth one is similar to the fifth one. You can try it on your own. Seventh one, is it right to say that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B? Justify your answer. Okay, I'll go ahead and select a new document here. This document is already full here. Okay, so where were we? We were working on the last question of this exercise, which is seventh one. We'll have to find out if sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. So we'll have to find out if it is right to say that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Now let us take this angle A as 60 degree and angle B as 30 degree. We'll take A as 60 degree and we'll take B as 30 degree. Sine of 60 plus 30 is how much? 90. Sine 90, we know that the value of sine 90 is 1. Sine 60 degree, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. If I take LCM, I'll get it like this, root 3 plus 1 by 2. So is the left hand side and right hand side equal? No, the left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we cannot say that sine of A plus B is equal to sine A plus sine B. Okay, so with this we have completed exercise 11.2. In the next video we'll work on exercise 11.3. Prior to that, I'll tell you few basics that should help us in solving 11.3 exercise problems. If you have any questions and concerns, like always, just go ahead and post your comments. Post those questions as comments on the video. I'll read those comments and I'll get back to you. Until next time, goodbye.